Okay, I'm back. Sorry guys if it took long. I had to stay at my house for all day long just for to not go over my grandma's house. And I had to deal with school and everything, but I am gonna try to get more time to make more characters. Anyway, I guess that was it. Well, you can pause and copy in that. Okay, front. Oh my god, front hair, 83. Oh, real hair. Real hair, 3. Ponytail, 48. Sleeves, 27. Shoes, 61. Socks, 121. Gloves, 3. Scarf, 6. Eyes, 97. Face AC, face AC. Face AC, 4,349. Mouth, 1,068. Hat, 2,576. Tail, 39. And that's it. You already know what the color. Oh yeah. Pants, 16, and you're done. And you already know the color for this. So pause and copy. Pause and copy. Pause and copy. Pause and copy. Paste. Pause and copy. Pause and copy. Pause and copy. I almost forgot about the nose. And head AC. Wow. Oh my god. Head AC 1,574 for the nose, and head AC 73 for the yeah, whatever, and that's it. And yeah, that's it.